Thank you, Renz. The guys in Urban. Fuck, what's the name of that store? I'll find out. Put the name here. Thanks, Renz. I said I'd mention you in the vlog, so. So guys, we're trying to get a really good shot, different shots of the bike, you know, just so we can make this review a bit more interesting. All a learning experience for now.
So is this loosening or tightening? I'll just put the stuff here. Yeah. And don't shake the bike because your GoPro sometimes.
Okay. Cool, man.
Can you get this? Is it the speedo in the road? Do you think it'll get in there?
The speedo, yeah.
Okay, and the road up ahead of me.
I'm going here.
Okay. Why don't you stand there? You just stand there, Tito. Danny will have a look. Yeah. Okay. Let me just put this on my toe. Because this bike is made for me, my size. Feel safe on it, because well, you won't be able to. I just have to go really slow. Alright, I'm going to take the Sukat exit because I can. We'll see ya. I'll text you when I'm at the lot. I'll let you know how much faster it was. I recommend that you come off Fill Invest. Yeah, don't go on the Sukat exit because it's ridiculous. Alright guys, it's my last evening with this fabulous bike. I have come to love it so much. It's gonna be weird not having you. My Kawasaki Z900RS. It's gonna be strange. Okay. So, I think if there's anything out there that says it's a good bike, it's the difficulty of giving the bike back. And this is one of those bikes that, you know, once you've had it, it just grows on you. And I mean, I've gotten used to riding this thing. Remember the first time I went on it, and it was on the Skyway from Makati. One of those things that, you know, I first got on it and I was like, wow, it's not really torquey at all. But I think it was just that day. I must have had it in traction control number 2. So right now I've got this on number 1. But yeah, I mean, everything I love about this bike, you know, the stability, the torque, I love the display, and I'm sure there's a million options out there that you can do with this thing. But you know, you're fully aware of a bike that has had care put into making it, the attention to detail. I mean, at some level you're aware that, you know, someone cared about that feature, that how that looked, you know, on the bike. With that being said, oh, I love it. I mean, I don't really like having a gear indicator as well, but I've come to love that as well. You know, sometimes you just forget. Am I in top gear? Just glance down and you'll see. So, what a fitting end this is, guys, to the end of the review. It might be a 10-minute or so review, but it's been a magical 4 days well, 2 days, because 2 of those days of the 4 was rain. Boy, am I glad to have had a proper experience with this bike. Oh, is that my last ride on this baby? No, I've got to ride it back to Makati tomorrow. Nice. Bobby, Wheel Tech, thank you guys. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Should I sing like the outro to this? I love it, guys. Look how this thing handles. I'm about to hit some dense traffic. And again, if there's any reason why you think why I ride a bike, it's because of moments like this. I enjoy this as much as the twisties, guys, because it's somewhat payback to these cars that once bullied me when I was on an underbone. And I've been in this situation where I've been stuck in this position in a car and hated every minute of it. I hate it. Look at this, my goodness, my goodness. And again, this is Sucat Toll Road. But yeah, filtering through this congealing traffic. Traffic here is almost a permanent, or need I say is a permanent feature on this part of S-Lex. So guys, for you underbones out there that are wondering, oh, it's much better to go on the, you know, on S-Lex, think again, because you're gonna have to put up with this shizer. Look at this, I've got my own lane. My own private lane on S-Lex. It's probably the lane with the most debris in it, but it's my lane, at least. Woohoo! If there's any reason why I ride a bike, it's because of stuff like this. I don't even think we're anywhere near the Sucat toll gate. There's the guard. He would have absolutely jumped on my face if I was on a bike that was below 400cc. How dare you come onto the Skyway? How dare you come onto S-Lex? Well, I dare. I dare. Last time I was in this lane, this one on my right, okay, that's about 1.5 kilometers away from my house, or maybe 2. Okay, it took me like 1.5 hours or something like that, at least an hour, to actually like get home. Man, look at this, guys. However strange it is, okay, this is just as pleasurable as riding the twisties, in my opinion. It sounds so odd, doesn't it? But it's almost as nice as getting your head shaved. I've got a shaved head, so that feels nice. Oh, the pleasures of riding a bike, people. It's like business class. Just jump the queue. Thank you. Look at this. Look at this mess. Alright. Here we are, people. Welcome to Sucat. You have arrived in comfort. Who said lane splitting wasn't for big bikes? I am so glad that I told Danny and her dad to go on the other exit. 3 on a bike, 2 without a helmet, 1 with his helmet, like not even on properly. Look at this. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. I mean, the amount of time people waste on a fucking car. Look at this. I mean, you guys saw me on the way out, right? Now, all the traffic is on this side. You guys seen me on the way in. I can say that these shoes are really, really nice. I mean, I'm more confident on my bike now. Goodness me. Look at this Jeep. Look at that. People just squeeze in anything. Do anything, do anything. And then just break down, just walk into the road. Do not come off Sukat exit. Call up Danny, see where she is. Show you this traffic, Ella. You're probably on S-Lex somewhere. Fucking hell. Dum 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 dum. Guys, it's counterflowing traffic. My goodness. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just giggling at myself just because I'm just so happy.